Hey there, writers! Have you ever been writing a story or a paragraph and thought, how do I get from this idea to the next one? Well, guess what? You need a bridge. Not a real bridge like this one, but a word bridge. We call those transition words. Transition words are like little helpers that connect your ideas so your writing flows smoothly, like cars driving across a bridge from one thought to another. Let's see how they work. Our first type of transition words are called time transition. Imagine I'm telling a story. First, I woke up. Then I brushed my teeth. Next, I ate breakfast. Finally, I went to school. Do you hear how those words, first, then, next, finally, tell the order things happened? They're called time transition words because they show when things happen. Here are some more time transition words that you can use in your writing. Before, at the same time, later, after that, meanwhile, last. Another type of transition words are used when adding more ideas. Now let's say I'm writing about my favorite animal. I love dogs. My dog likes to sleep with me. I also like cats. My cat is brown and white. In addition, I have a pet hamster at home. Words like also and in addition help me add more ideas without making my writing sound choppy. They're like saying, hey, there's more good stuff coming. Here are some more transition words that add more ideas. Another, and, to, besides, plus. Our third type of transition words are cause and effect. Sometimes we use transition words to show why something happens. For example, I left my umbrella at home, so I got wet. Or, I forgot to water my plant for a week. Therefore, it started to droop. Those words, so, and therefore, help show cause and effect. Some other kinds of cause and effect transition words are because, since, as a result, for this reason. Here's another type of transition words that help to change directions in writing. What if we want to show a surprise or contrast, or something opposite? Watch this. I tried to build a tall block tower, however, it kept falling down. However is like saying, wait, something different happened. Here's another one. Although it was cold outside, we still went to play in the snow. Other words like, but, even though, or on the other hand, do the same thing. There are two other kinds of transition words. Words to end and conclude, and words to show importance or examples. We can use, finally, in conclusion, to sum up, at last, to finish, to end and conclude a paragraph. Transition words to show importance or examples are, for example, for instance, such as, especially, most importantly, all in all. Now, there are many other transition words not mentioned in this video that you can use. Learn more about them in your writing journey. Time to practice. Read the following paragraph. I went to the park. I saw my friends. We played on the swings. I fell down. I got dirt on my pants. I laughed. We ran to the slide. It was hot. I wanted ice cream. We went home. I was tired. I took a nap. Sounds a bit choppy, doesn't it? What transition words can you use to make it move more smoothly? I'm going to look at the transition words chart and see what words I can use. Perhaps there might be other words I could think of. Here's my revised paragraph. I went to the park and then I saw my friends. After that, we played on the swings. Suddenly, I fell down and got dirt on my pants. However, I laughed. Next, we ran to the slide, but it was hot, so I wanted ice cream. Finally, we went home and I was tired. After a while, I took a nap. Can you see my transition? So remember, transition words help your writing move smoothly, like a roller coaster that doesn't stop between ideas. They help readers know when things happen, add more ideas, show cause and effect, change directions, or bring something to a close, like an ending. Now it's your turn, super writers. Grab your pencil and try writing a short story or paragraph. Use at least 3 transition words and make those bridges strong. Because when your ideas connect, your writing shines. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more writing prompt videos.